In this video, I'm going to talk to you about direct object pronouns. Now, as you know, pronouns are words that replace nouns, so obviously these are going to replace direct objects. Direct objects answer whom or what is being acted upon by the subject. But first things first, the direct object pronouns in Spanish are me, te, lo, la, nos, los, las, and os for vosotros. So let's learn these in context. Te veo mañana. Will I see you tomorrow? Sí, nos vemos en la clase de historia. Yes, we see each other in history class. Here, the direct object pronouns are te and nos. And here are two things you need to remember. First, when it's a statement or a question like these are, you're safe in putting the direct object pronoun before the conjugated verb. Secondly, notice it's not tú and nosotros, it's te and nos. Tú and nosotros are subject pronouns. You use those when they're actually doing something. In this example, te and nos are not doing anything. They're being acted upon by the subject. So they answer the question whom or what after the verb. I see whom, you, te. We see whom, us, nos, or each other. Here's another. Who plays Candyland? ¿Quién juega Candyland? It's a board game. Yo lo juego. I play it. I play what? It. Lo. It being Candyland, which is a masculine noun. So the pronoun is lo because juego is masculine and it's singular. But if it's feminine, it should be la or las. ¿Recicla tu familia las botellas? Sí, las reciclamos. Does your family recycle bottles? Yes, we recycle them. In this example, notice who's recycling and what's being recycled. These should always be your first two questions when reading. Who's doing what? Whom or what are they doing it to? So las replaces las botellas, which is a feminine plural noun. Okay, I think that's enough for a good start in direct object pronouns. I'll answer more specific questions and scenarios in other videos in this course. I'll see you next time.